Lovevery Play Kit's full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are added in the description below. Lovevery Play Kits are subscription-based developmental play kits designed to support the cognitive, sensory, and motor skill growth of children from birth to age 4. These kits are ideal for parents who want to provide age-appropriate, research-backed play experiences that engage children while fostering learning and exploration at home. Each play kit is curated according to a child's developmental stage and delivered on a flexible schedule, containing high-quality, sustainably made toys and activities that target key skills such as problem-solving, fine motor coordination, sensory development, and early literacy. The kits come with a detailed play guide for parents, offering step-by-step instructions, tips, and explanations of how each activity supports development, making it easy to integrate play into daily routines. Lovevery offers different subscription lines, including newborn, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months, 12 to 18 months, and up to 3 to 4 years, ensuring that each kit matches the child's abilities and interests as they grow. One of the main strengths of Lovevery is the research-driven design of its products, created in collaboration with child development experts, occupational therapists, and educators, ensuring that each toy has a clear purpose and developmental benefit. The materials are eco-friendly, durable, and visually appealing, and the kits provide both educational value and entertainment. Another advantage is the convenience of the subscription model, which removes the guesswork from selecting developmentally appropriate toys and keeps children engaged with new challenges each month. On the downside, the cost can be higher than traditional toys, and some parents may feel that certain items are too simple or do not hold a child's attention for long. Additionally, because the kits are tailored to developmental stages, older siblings may not benefit from items in kits designed for younger ages. Overall, Lovevery Play Kits are a thoughtfully designed, high-quality, and convenient solution for parents seeking to support early learning and development through purposeful, engaging play. Links to Lovevery Play Kits are included in the description below.